guys, as you can tell, the van is running. Yay! So it's been running since yesterday afternoon. I went yesterday, drove right away to Vancouver, had some stuff to pick up. I saw my friend Joseph, him is mail too as well. And when I'm back in Squamish right now, I'm going to the backcountry. Oh, and yeah, I know before everyone's like, what's going on with the van? What happened? Like, tell us everything. Okay, it was not a big problem. It was just to change the coil ignition and the spark plug. That was a second cylinder misfire. All right, so I cannot tell you more than that. You can tell that I don't know so much about van and car and stuff like this, but I know some people is gonna ask me. So there you go, you got it. It just took time to get an apartment to the garage, and because they are so overbooked right now in town. So yeah, but the van is running like really great, like better than it used to. Like, it's awesome. Yeah, like I said, like yesterday I went on the highway, I went to Vancouver and got a couple of things here and there. And on the highway to Vancouver, it is a big like up and down kind of hill road, I should say, and it was doing really great. So we are going to the backcountry, guys. So I'm gonna meet with my friend Mark. He already got a spot. I can tell he's got a lot of people on the road. Today is the weekend, so we might stay there. I'm not sure, but we're gonna cook. I got a Dutch oven, so we're gonna try to make something, guys. I don't know. I should probably like let's start that. I think I put my level of cooking tonight. I don't know. Hopefully, hopefully it's gonna work. We're just gonna have fun no matter what, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's supposed to rain later on, but that's all good, no big deal. So alright, so I'm gonna go meet my friend Mark and see what's going on for the rest of the afternoon. Alright guys, find a little spot. I just met with Mark. He just left back in town. We are very close from the town right now. I'm not gonna go further in the backcountry today. It's supposed to rain later on, and also it's got a lot of people on the road right now. A lot of people, it's a weekend, so a lot of 4x4 and things like this. So I'm just gonna chill here. Mark already had the fire this morning, so I just keep going with the fire, put a little bit of log here and there. So we're gonna eat a nice little meal tonight, super exciting. I'm gonna try to make a lasagna, with the Dutch oven. I don't have the whole thing, and it's gonna be simple. It's probably been like, I don't know, many years that I didn't have like a lasagna, but I think it's gonna be great. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy here, quiet time and just chill. I think it's gonna be good for this afternoon, and slowly make the lunch dinner kind of later on. Alright, so I've started the cooking process. I just use, one second, some onion and this ivy, I think that's how to pronounce, Mexican style. It's really good. It's got a lot of flavor. So I'm just gonna brown a little bit. I mean, it's already ready to go. So I'm just gonna, and it's gonna cook on the Dutch oven for, I think it's gonna cook for like 45 minutes at least. So yeah, don't need to overcook this, but I'm just gonna brown this. And after that, starting the Dutch oven process. Oh, and I may have like my friend Joseph might come later on. He just texts me, call me, because we do have a tiny little bit of cell reception here. So he might come later on and join me. So, all right, let's do the cooking. Alright, so this is the Dutch oven that I got, camp oven. So we're gonna try to make the lasagna on this. It's gonna be like super simple lasagna, guys, okay? We're not gonna make anything fancy. I just want to try to see if I can do something. I got this vegan, let me see if we can see well. Oops, sorry. This vegan vanlife, I think. Really good. I like that one. And pasta sauce and some lasagna noodle. I got those one. They are like, I think they take like 30 minutes to cook. So yeah. So we're just gonna assemble things here. And yeah, should be good. And I think I'm gonna put some cheese in the middle of everything. Why not? So I put tin foil on top here. I push the fire a little bit over there and make a fire on top. Alright guys, we just have to wait now. I'm sure a lot of people is gonna comment about my way to do my lasagna, the Dutch oven and all that. This is the first time, guys, so I don't pretend that I know what I'm doing, okay? I'll let you know how everything go. Saw a couple video here and there. We'll see how everything go right now. But until then, I'm gonna get a little beer. Vancouver Island Brewery. Not sure what I'm drinking. Never tried before. But I'm just gonna chill here. It's getting a little bit windy. Sorry about all the smoke. Yep, not too bad. Not too bad. Alright guys, so I had to remove the aluminium foil. It's just like, I thought that it could be able to just lift all the chalk and all that. I don't know. Obviously, well, it's not good enough for that. Maybe with heavy duty like aluminum foil, maybe it would have been better, but whatever. So I'm just gonna put some wood on top so I can cook the top and as well as the bottom. Right now I just turned a little bit the Dutch oven because I do have some heat coming from that side of the fire, so I just want to kind of like be able to cook everywhere. The best would have been to have like that support, kind of like, I don't know if some people saw that, but you can have like a little support and you just hang that on top of your fire. We'll see if I decide to have one. I mean, we'll see how that turn out right now, but I don't feel to have that big thing. I'm sure it kind of like fold pretty tight, but yeah. Right now I'm just super excited to try to do something like this. I do have a big pleasure, as you probably can tell, about cooking around the fire. It's just, that's the best part for me, like making a fire. Sorry, you probably don't, I just realized that all those bricks right here, and right now because it's so windy, I just kept everything right here. Well, yeah, it's such a pleasure for me to cook around the fire and try to make something good, you know what I mean? Like, that's the best part for me about having a fire. Alright guys, it's been half an hour. On the cooking, on the package, it said half an hour for the pasta to cook. So I don't have like a piece of metal to open the lid. I'm gonna have to make that, but hopefully this piece of wood I'm gonna be able to, it's not that heavy, to lift that. This is fine, I can touch it, it's not that hot, but this little handle there is hot. I already tried, it's hot. So let's move this. This is why I wanted to put the tin foil so it doesn't get too messy or whatever. Alright, there you go. Whoop. Oh, it's looking good. Hold on, I just want to clean the lid a little bit more now. It's brown on the top. Just have to see if it cook. Look, let me move this. Oh, you guys see? Woo! Woo! That's hot. Hold on, I have to show you. Burn a little bit, baby. Oh, you guys see? It smells so good. There you go. Ooh, nice and brown. Let me try it. I think it's good. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna leave that with the lid on a couple of minutes to let it cool down, obviously, because it's so warm. And yeah, I guess we're gonna be able to try after that. So right now I'm just making some garlic bread because yeah, it's gonna be good. I had like a sourdough bread, put a little bit of vegan butter and some garlic and a little bit of basil. I kind of realized that I could have put like way more spice inside my lasagna. Sorry if you hear like some people do some dirt bike right now and all that. It's the weekend, so it's quite busy and right at the beginning of all the trails. So but yeah, I'm just gonna have this, and this look like so good. It's still a bit hot, but like I just burned a little bit the edge here, just a little bit. We'll see how the bottom is gonna be. but smells good, guys. I'm so happy. Like I never like even cook like a real lasagna in the oven, and now I'm making something on the stove. I should say on the campfire, in fact. So yeah, I'm super excited to try it out. All right, that's looking good. This is probably not hot anymore. There you go. Let's do the big test. You guys see me? Oh, you see the plate? That's perfect. You don't need to see me. So I don't have like a spatula. You know, it's quite simple in my living, so oh my god. So it's probably been cooling down for the past at least 10 minutes right now. Oh my god, guys. It's probably gonna be the best. Oh. Oh, it didn't stick in the bottom. I'm so happy. Okay, it's not gonna look good on the plate though. It's not good. Come on, guys. Come on. Come here. Oh. I'm glad that didn't stick in the bottom. I was worried a little bit. It just got burned on the one side. With some garlic bread. There you go, guys. Let's try it out. Let you know. Seriously, guys, I'm not faking that. Oh my god. The pasta are just perfect, like. Oh. Oh my god. I totally didn't expect to turn out that good. Oh. I don't know if because it's been so long and that I didn't eat like a lasagna. But oh my god, that's so good, guys. And I'm trying to think right now what I would change if I was to make that again. Maybe I will put a little bit less sauce. I was a little bit heavy on the sauce. Maybe next time I'm gonna try to do something a little bit more like fancy if you want, like with like maybe try to make some vegan ricotta cheese or like a type of bechamel sauce. But oh, that is so good, guys. And I was worried I didn't put enough spice because I didn't really put anything other than the sauce itself. That was like, they had some flavor on it, but with that Ivy Eve or whatever you want to call it, meat replacement, it's quite like spicy, so it's really good. Seriously, guys, I'm so happy right now. Oh yeah, and it's gonna have plenty enough for when Joseph's gonna come. You can warm it up back on the stove. Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy that. So good, seriously. Alright, so I came back inside. It started raining pretty bad. I'm still waiting for Joseph. So I think I'm gonna spend the rest of the evening inside the van chilling. It's supposed to rain for the whole weekend, and after that next week it's gonna be all beautiful and sunny. For my probably last week in Squamish, I know I've been saying that for a couple of times now, but I'm just waiting for my driver's license to come in the mail. I thought that would be there by now. I'm still waiting. And I still have to just clean my storage, which is probably going to be something that I'm going to do tomorrow. I don't have that much to do, but I'm just going to finish that. So I'm going to have nice little dinner for the next 2 weeks, 2 days, or I'm not sure if Joseph's going to eat a little bit more. He's got still another big pieces here. Hello. Thank you. How much was? No. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Me and Joseph end up like talking for a couple minutes, and I'd end up like going back in town to get a warm shower because it was cold outside. And so thank you so much to join me on this little day trip trying my Dutch oven. It was such a pleasure for me, and I'm sure you're gonna see me cooking on my Dutch oven a couple more times this summer. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon. Alright, bye.